Hello, it's Mrs. Z. Okay, so grade 5, mission 6, lesson 14, exit ticket. Use the coordinate plan below to complete the following tasks. Identify the location of E and F. Okay, that's E and F. Point E. So first we locate that this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. So I need to find x first. So when I have my point E, I'm going to go down to x first. So here's my x. And then I'm going to go to y. And y is 4. So now I know that this point here is 2, 4. Okay, and I can write down 2 or 4. Okay, now I'm going to need F. F again, go to the x-axis first. So here is 0, and then this has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the x is 5. And y is over here. And that is, if this is 0, this is 1, this 2, this is 3. So it's 3. Okay, so this F has coordinate 5, 3. Okay, so now the next, this has to be the number B, draw EF line. You can see that this is not line segment, it's a line because it has arrows on both sides. So EF line, I can connect those E and F. And I can make a line as long as I want to be, right? Okay, so here's arrow on one side, here's arrow on the other side, and this is line EF. EF line segment and makes to the line EF line. Next. Generate coordinate pairs L. Okay, now see. Generate coordinate pairs for L and M such that line EF is parallel to line LM. So what they ask us to do is to create the parallel LM line to the line that we just did. So if I take my rulers, there's endless possibilities, everything. This is line that is, and then if I make a parallel my ruler to it, line can be down, parallel, and then infinity number of parallel lines up and or down. It doesn't really matter. What if you don't? I can draw in the line. What would you like to do is, if you think about these right triangles that you could create one to make a parallel line, you can see right here the one there and then right here, so like that could be the possibility of parallel line right there, right here. If you see this one triangle right there, and then also right here, so you can see then these two could be the points of the new parallel lines, right? So that's one solution. Let's do the little bit bigger triangles. So I'm thinking about having 2 units. So what if I think that I would like my point to be right here? So how I can make a parallel line to it, but how I can make another point if I wish to use the triangles. So I can think of having let's see, parallel. So I wanted to parallel line through here. So that's gonna be my one of those. So the first point I already chosen, that was this one here. So that would be L. Okay, so L is the X is 2 and then Y is 6. Got myself 1 point. So now I'm looking how I can find another point that is similar to the one I have. So I can also create a triangle right here if I wanted. So that would be it could be on this point right here. That could be a 1 point. Or if I want a totally different triangle that are similar to this, congruent to this one, I can use this one here. Like I can use that. So I know this point is on a line. I know that these are 2, the height is 2 units. So all I need is that right triangle right here. And I will have the same exact right triangle that will be congruent, and I can prove that they're both on the same line that is parallel to the all right, so I can do this. All right, here. So I use this point out, and then this will be my M. So M would be 8. Okay, 8 and 4. 8, 4. It's endless possibilities. You can do that way. You can do other way. You see how you see, but that is just an idea. If you use these ones, so this point here is going to be, it could be also, and then this point right here. So you have these, and then that could be the parallel line that is parallel to EF. There's another parallel. Okay, just give you another way of seeing it. All right. I can, if I choose to use these here, the points would be L. Let's do L copy. L is 2 and 3, and then this one would be that M would be 5, 2. Okay, 5, 2, and then 2, 3. Would be parallel lines. So all these 3 lines are parallel to each other. So you can put any. If I put this 2, 6, or 8, 4, it will work. And it says draw LM, and we already did. So this would be the what it was required to do for exit ticket grade 5 mission 6 lesson 14. Okay, thank you for listening, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. me make that smaller so you can see whole part. All right, now it's all there. All right.